Alia, where are we going?
I don't know.
Where
are we going?
Alright, we'll find out. Look at all these fall colors. And look at this birthday girl.
You said it's something in the air. It could be a ride. I'm just gonna make stuff up now. Helicopter?
Helicopter? No.
Flying the plane with an instructor. Oh, a class.
You're taking your first flying class. There's a Boeing 737.
Destination will be on the left.
That's gonna be our plane. What are you feeling?
Pretty awesome. This is so cool.
You're about to fly a plane.
This is called a heading indicator that tells which way we are flying. Now, if that thing fell, we have the backup compass. Oh, this one, number 332, is pointing at 323 to be exact, 325. So possibly 320. Again, 320 is a number between 270 and 360. This one way is pointing northwest. So with the one way number, we know that's how they number the one ways. So we know, okay, well, 32 must be going like that.
Yeah.
Like for example, the fairway is in 0, 100 feet above the sea, 200 feet, 300 feet, and so on and so forth. So we'll begin by 80 because flying the first time.
Yeah.
You guys, both of you guys officially locked the first entry as a pilot.
Mum, next time you fly a plane, don't leave Khiz and Eesa behind.